Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
How are broker fees structured in NYS? A step-by-step legal guide. Navigating real estate in New York State, especially in the bustling and competitive NYC market, often requires the help of a licensed real estate broker. But whether you're renting or buying, one major question arises. How are broker fees structured and who pays them? Understanding broker fees is vital to making informed decisions and avoiding unexpected costs. At Figeroux Associates, we help renters, buyers, sellers, and landlords fully understand their financial and legal obligations in a real estate transaction. This article breaks down the step-by-step structure of broker fees and the legal considerations involved. Step 1. What is a broker fee? A broker fee is the compensation paid to a real estate broker or agent for facilitating a transaction. This fee is generally based on a percentage of the sale or lease amount, usually for purchases, a flat fee or set percentage of annual rent for rentals. In New York State, fees are negotiable, but commonly accepted standards have developed based on the market. Step 2. Broker fees in rentals. In the rental market, especially in NYC, broker fees are often 1 month's rent or 15% of the annual rent. For example, if your rent is $3,000 per month, 15% of $36,000 equals $5,400 broker fee. The tenant usually pays this fee, although some listings are no-fee apartments, where the landlord covers it to attract renters. At Figeroux Associates, we review rental agreements to ensure transparency regarding broker fees and identify who is legally responsible. Step 3. Broker fees in sales transactions. In home or condo purchases, broker fees are typically 5% to 6% of the sale price. This is usually split between the buyer's agent and the seller's agent. Example: if a home sells for $1 million, total commission equals $50,000 to $60,000. Buyer's broker equals $25,000 to $30,000. Seller's broker equals $25,000 to $30,000. Sellers usually pay the full commission, which is deducted from the sale proceeds. Step 4. Buyer representation agreements. In some cases, buyers enter into a buyer representation agreement in which they agree to pay the buyer's agent directly, cover any shortfall in broker commission if the seller doesn't offer enough. This agreement should clearly state fee structure, services provided, duration of representation. We help clients review and negotiate these agreements to ensure they understand their obligations. Step 5. Who actually pays the fee? The answer depends on the type of transaction. Rentals, typically paid by the tenant unless it's a no-fee listing. Sales, paid by the seller from sale proceeds. Commercial deals, fees are negotiable and often shared. Always ask up front how the fee is structured and ensure it's in writing in any agreement or lease. Step 6. Legal changes to broker fees in NYS. In 2020, NYS attempted to change the rental broker fee landscape with guidance from the Department of State suggesting landlords could no longer pass broker fees to tenants. However, this guidance was challenged in court and suspended, leaving the traditional tenant pays model intact for now. We help clients stay up to date on legal developments regarding fee structures and ensure compliance with any changes. Step 7. Dual agency and commission disclosure. Some brokers represent both the buyer and seller. This is known as dual agency, which is legal in NYS but requires full disclosure, written consent from both parties. Failure to disclose a dual agency can be a violation of fiduciary duty and expose the broker to liability. At Figeroux Associates, we make sure our clients are aware of all disclosures and that agents are acting lawfully and ethically. Step 8. Negotiating broker fees. Broker fees are not set by law and are often negotiable. You can ask for a lower commission, propose a flat fee, request a performance-based fee tied to sale price or speed. We advise clients on how to negotiate broker fees in both residential and commercial transactions. Step 9. Broker's right to commission. To legally earn a commission, a broker must be licensed in NYS, have a written agreement, be the procuring cause of the sale or lease. If a deal closes through another channel, a broker may still try to claim a commission, especially in sales. Legal disputes can arise, and we represent both consumers and professionals in commission claims or defenses. Step 10. Always get legal review. Before you sign a lease, listing agreement, or purchase contract involving a broker fee, review the fee terms carefully. Confirm who pays. Understand how it's calculated. Ensure disclosure of agency relationships. At Figeroux Associates, we provide clear, experienced legal guidance to protect your financial interests in any broker-involved deal. Conclusion. Broker fees are a common but often misunderstood part of real estate transactions in New York. Whether you're renting, buying, or selling, knowing how these fees are structured and who pays them is essential to avoiding unpleasant surprises. With Figeroux Associates, you get more than a lawyer. You get a partner who ensures that every dollar and detail of your real estate transaction is legal, fair, and fully disclosed. Avoid surprises. Know your broker fee rights. Schedule a consultation today. 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, New York, 11242. www.askthelawyer.us. 855-768-8845. Text 718-986-4362.
Renting or buying in New York. Don't get caught off guard by broker fees. At Figeroux Associates, we help tenants, buyers, sellers, and landlords understand exactly how broker fees work, who pays, how much, and what's negotiable. With shifting rules and high stakes, you need a legal partner who keeps it clear and compliant. Before you sign that lease or sales contract, call 855-768845. Text 7189-864-362. Visit askthelawyer.us. Figeroux Associates, your legal guide to smart real estate decisions.